So VetroMount is a balustrade system designed and manufactured by Bohle. There are 4 different profiles. There's a base fix and a side fix, but we also have F and Y profiles. They have specific uses for things like concrete balconies, but for day-to-day use, the base fix or the side fix is the most popular. It's a product that people who don't fit balustrades can fit. The way in which the glass is installed into the base channel is with a very unique glass carrier. It's incredibly easy to fit. In essence, you just drop the glass into the carrier in the channel and automatically the carrier will close around the glass. It's then simply a case of adjusting one side of the glass till it makes a tight fit and then pulling on the other side to ensure that the glass is firmly clamped in the channel.